Hello, my name is Ramesh Venkateshwara. I am a faculty at the Institute of Management in Bangalore. We got our very old house. It's a 30-year-old apartment renovated very recently. From the day we met, from the day we got over the possession, I think it was absolutely smooth. There wasn't even a small hiccup in the whole operations. They're very professional in terms of the structure, the approach, from giving a quotation to getting the material to execution. They were very, very good. Secondly, what I would really appreciate about Tim already is the fact that they're able to live up to commitments. When you say, can you give me this data? Almost a half an hour, the data is sent to you. The timings for meetings, on-site meetings were absolutely on time. There was never a day where there was a delay. And the ideas that he gave, I think my wife will be able to tell you.
It was so easy to communicate with JD because he was so a stickler. Ramesh, of course, is an absolute stickler for time, for responses, and he found somebody who just matched him. He's given me this most beautiful kitchen. I must confess that 70% is his ideas, and he's made it so beautiful. He's given me a little counter for my God. The house is looking beautiful and simple and yet very elegant. The bathrooms are done very well. So I guess we only have to praise this company and the proprietor and this team. And we are very happy, and I would definitely recommend.
And from my side, all good wishes to Anna and all the people, and I hope they do very well. Thank you.